I took this viral moment and turned it into the iconic Boondock style animation using AI. And today I'm going to show you how I did it in 3 steps. But first, let's check the 5 seconds version video.
Please tell me why you stopping me?
Yeah, I'm about to.
Huh?
I'm about to.
What?
I'm about to tell you.
Stop sign.
It looks simple now, but getting here was trial and error. I was facing broken lip syncs, characters were raising the wrong hands, and sometimes some details were vanishing. In this video, I will show you the exact 3-step system, how I fixed all of it. And to prove that, I am going to give you the free resources. I'm going to give you the prompts, the pictures, the videos, everything well arranged for you. This is your chance to create your own animation and even make it better than me. And if that sounds good to you, please subscribe and let's dive into step number 1. Step number 1 is all about creating visuals. I took the picture of the person, which is in the public domain, and I noticed I could do it according to the law. I started with MidJourney. I fed it the source image and a reference image for the Boondock style. But after some time, I realized it could not give me the best results because the hair was messed up. So after this, I took it to ChatGPT, which refined it and made it better. To make sure all the details were matching, the details and the clothing and the visuals were perfect, I took the same picture to LM Arena, and here is where I found the best image. So LM Arena produced the best image. So the picture went from 1, 2 to 3, all right? And now this number 3 gave me the best image to make the 9 scenes. So for the 9 scenes, I took this transcript, which is 31 seconds long, and I broke it down into 9 scenes. I also took the audio and chopped it up into 9 scenes, all right? So that's how I did it. I made the before and after pictures, so they are framed. They should be having the first frame and the last frame for every single scenes. I've included all of this in the link below, in my Gumroad link, so you'll get everything for free and you can be able to prompt and see how I did everything clearly. All right, so that's how I did it. Step number 2. Step number 2 is where I brought these images to life, and here I was focusing on the lip sync. I used 2 main tools. The first one was Hedra, which was my main tool, and the second one was MidJourney. And then I used also Google Veo for the before and after. Hedra was my primary choice because you can upload your own audio. And then the lip syncing is very good. So that was my first choice. For other shots, I used MidJourney, where I had to describe the mouth shapes in the prompt itself. So with MidJourney, I had to describe how the person was talking. So the prompts, when you receive them, they will show something about the mouth, how the mouth was moving. All right. So that was with MidJourney. Finally, as I've told you, I used Google Veo 3 to show the before and after story. This was really simple. All you have to do is make animation prompts. So you describe what's happening in a scene. So that is the prompt, and then take the picture, take the audio, and then click generate. As simple as that. Prompt, picture, audio, then click generate. But audio is in Hedra's case. So prompt, picture, audio, click generate, and then you get your video. All right. So that is very simple. But I hit a wall. I faced something which I like to share. It was really hard to keep the mouth shut using the prompt. So I think you can take this as a challenge and fix this AI system challenge. The mouth was always talking, no matter how I describe the prompt. So this is a system challenge. See how you can fix it. He never kept quiet, especially when you upload the audio. So I did this with Hedra and MidJourney. It was always there. So this is a system challenge. Step 3 is editing. This is where we turn a collection of clips into seamless stories. So now I was just taking the clips and turning them into a seamless story. This is where I was just joining the clips, to be honest. And I used Premiere Pro as my tool of choice. People like using CapCut, and I don't know this. There are many free video editors, so use your choice. During the joining of the clips, I use images and video. So for the images, to make them feel like video, I use the Ken Burns effect. So the Ken Burns effect is not named after me, my name, but it's something that's always been there. It makes an image feel like a video, but it's zooming in and out to make it feel like a video. So check it out, browse about it here. Yeah, so that is all. I've provided the Premiere project, the Premiere Pro project. So all you have to do is just download it for free. If you want, you can send some appreciation fee if you feel, but it's okay. You can also download it for free, or download it for free, and then you just click the Premiere project, and you are in the project, so you can do it. So thank you very much. Do not be left behind. This is how AI turned this iconic viral moment into a Boondock style. So work with it, deal with it. Don't be left behind. Like, AI is really transforming the world. Thank you very much, and see you on the next one. Bye bye. All right.